G'day folks, and welcome to another drawing session where I share my process and my insights on art, creativity and everything in between. If you stick around to the end of this session, you'll see me add a bit of colour to this sketch using a bit of gouache. You may have noticed I've just used the calipers to check my measurements for the face. The horizontal lines, making sure that the distances are equal, as you would normally with a portrait drawing. At this stage of the drawing, I'm quite happy how everything's going. I go in with my needle eraser and just ghost all those lines. I started drawing the hand with my wooden pencil and I thought I needed a bit more refinement in the line, so I switched to a mechanical pencil, which was the right choice. Mechanical pencils are quite good to get fine details, especially in small drawings like this. Here you can see me mapping out the shadow areas and just lightly shading in with the pencil. At this stage I didn't really decide what to do with the hair. In the reference photo that I had, the woman had her hair tied back, and I wanted her hair in this drawing to be free and flowing. So I just drew in some light lines to work out which way I wanted the hair to go, give that sort of flowing sense. It took me quite some time and I made quite a lot of adjustments, as you can see here, as I keep going back and forth with the kneadable eraser, then going back in, erasing, doing more light lines. I just kept repeating this process until I was happy how the hair was flowing. So if you guys enjoyed watching this type of video, hit the like button, and if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button as well if you want to see more content like this. And if there's any questions or there's something you'd like to see in the future, just write it in the comments section and let me know. As I mentioned, I said I was going to add some colours, so I decided to use some gouache. Well guys, this wraps up another sketch. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.